name is Maggie. Today we're going to be making a microwave chocolate mug cake.
今日我哋會整一個微波爐朱古力蛋糕。咁呢個 recipe 食譜係非常之容易嘅，小朋友都可以喺屋企做到。最重要咧就係有一個微波爐。You don't even need an oven。我哋所需要嘅 ingredients 材料可以好容易喺 supermarket 嗰度買到。話明係 mug cake， 咁當然啦就係要有一隻 mug 啦。喺我未開始之前咧，就請大家 subscribe to 我呢一個嘅 channel 瑪姬英文 English with Maggie。咁我平時咧係會拍一啲英文嘅 video 嘅。We're going to be doing this the American way, which means we're going to be measuring with cups instead of a scale. 咁呢個 recipe 食譜材料嘅單位咧會係 cups 而唔係 grams 嘅。首先將所有 dry ingredients， 即係乾嘅材料 mix 埋一齊。1/4 cup of flour 麵粉 1/4 cup of sugar 糖 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder。 咁記得 tablespoon 係湯匙而唔係茶匙啦。1/8 teaspoon of baking soda 梳打粉，咁今次留意係茶匙啦。1/8 teaspoon of salt。 然之後就將佢哋 mix 埋晒一齊。跟住就加 wet ingredients， 即係濕嘅材料啦。3 tablespoons of milk 係讀 milk 而唔係 milk 咁樣。個 recipe 食譜其實係叫我哋用 canola oil， 即係芥花籽油嘅。但因為我淨係得 olive oil， 即係橄欖油啦，咁所以我哋今日咧就會用呢個嘅。咁我之前試過其實都係 OK 嘅。2 tablespoons of oil。1 tablespoon of water 即係水啦。最後就係 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract， 係讀 vanilla， 即係我哋中文嘅雲呢拿啦。跟住就 mix。咁其實如果你中意嘅話咧，就可以喺個杯入邊 mix 晒所有嘅材料。咁如果你唔中意嘅話咧，亦都可以喺個碗嗰度做咗先嘅，跟住先再倒落嗰隻杯嗰度。咁我個人咧就中意中間有啲溶咗嘅朱古力喺度嘅，咁所以我而家咧就會切兩塊，然之後放喺杯入邊嘅中間。搞好晒咧就可以放入 microwave， 即係我哋嘅微波爐啦。And that's right, you don't need a fancy microwave, even this old one works。 咁其實求其一個微波爐咧都可以做到嘅。咁其實個 recipe 食譜咧就叫你叮 1 minute 45 seconds 嘅，但我就覺得太熟啦，咁可能亦都視乎翻你個微波爐嘅強度啦。咁所以我今次咧就淨係會叮分半鐘左右，咁就變咗個蛋糕咧可以比較 gooey， 即係比較黏黏地嘅感覺啦。我覺得趁熱食再加啲 ice cream 上去嘅話咧，就係最好味嘅。This looks and tastes amazing. Thanks for watching today's video. Remember to 訂閱 subscribe to 我呢一個嘅 channel 瑪姬英文 and remember to give this video a like. Bye!